Logan Layden of StateImpact, Oklahoma has been following the tornado relief effort, and I talked to him about the government response. Logan, the state insurance department is on the scene in Moore, and adjusters are coming in from all across the country.
That's right. I was there on Wednesday, which was just a few hours after they had set up all these tents. It's really, one of my sources said it's like an insurance city down there. So all these insurance adjusters are there and all their companies. And there was a huge line out the door of this First Baptist Church there in Moore, and I just kind of went down and asked people, and I heard Florida, Ohio, Texas, and of course several from Oklahoma. So yes, it's a huge effort from across the country.
How long will that last? How long will they be there?
Oh, that's a question I asked everyone I talked to, and to a person they didn't know, and they all said that they would be willing to stay as long as they needed to, but it seemed that they were expecting to be around for weeks.
FEMA is also here helping with aid. What are they doing?
FEMA, yeah, they weren't far behind the insurance companies there. They've got trailers too there at the First Baptist Church, so that place is kind of a one-stop shop for people to come and talk to their insurance companies and to FEMA as well. People are applying for aid right there on site for low-interest loans for small businesses or grants to help with rebuilding. But FEMA, they also provide things like food and water. And for those who didn't have insurance, they're going to be a source for things like shelter maybe in the long term.
What do people need to have when they deal with FEMA?
Well, there is a process to this. I think there's a bit of a misconception that maybe, the aid, you just go straight to FEMA and then the check comes. No, there's a process. FEMA wants to see proof that you filed insurance claims, and that's one of the reasons they've got everything set up there in one spot at the First Baptist Church, so that you can talk to your insurance company and then go straight to FEMA with your proof that you filed a claim, and that helps FEMA decide what you should get.
Some are saying you become your own administrator of recovery. What does that mean?
Well, yes, and the insurance companies and FEMA, they're doing all they can to help make this an easy process for people, but there's still important work that people have to do whenever they're faced with tragedy. You've got to talk to your insurance adjuster, and you've got to go over the things that you've lost. Now, whenever I'm on the site and I'm talking to people and ask them, what did you lose in the storm? They have a difficult time telling me, without breaking into tears sometimes. So you can imagine how difficult it is to have to go over everything you've lost with an insurance adjuster item by item.
Unless you've been there, it's hard to fully understand the devastation.
It really is. Powerful images on TV, and as you know, these aren't the types of stories that I usually cover, and so, but there's a huge difference whenever you get down there and see it with your own eyes. It's devastating.
Logan Layden from StateImpact, Oklahoma. Thank you.
Thank you.